I'm here today with Bob Kanega from McKesson Specialty, and McKesson is a big user of Business Objects and also of Tableau and other solutions as well. And they've been a big user of our InfoBurst solution for the automated scheduling, bursting, publishing of Business Objects reports. And recently they started to look into integration between Business Objects and Tableau using the new feature in InfoBurst Tab. So Bob, you were very much involved in this evaluation, right, per se. Where are the main use cases coming from at McKesson in terms of people using both tools today?
Well, we are looking to be able to deliver across the broad spectrum of what our customer use cases are. Historically, we've utilized the InfoBurst product to distribute all of our external, whether it be SFTP, email, different formats, Excel, PDF, which has served our customer needs very well. Also, InfoBurst is an integral part of our daily process. All of our content is generated every day by InfoBurst, so we rely on it heavily. And it's always served us very well. And with the new landscape of some of the new dashboarding tools coming of age, Tableau, Power BI, who knows what's next, Squirrel. We're always looking to be able to solve our customer needs with a diverse product set. So we had a case where one of our pharma companies wanted a daily dashboard, and we've been wanting to offer a Tableau solution where we could distribute, in this case, a Tableau dashboard and update that for them every day. So what we did was we actually ran a proof of concept where we generated the dashboard, put it out on their server. It was kind of funny because one of the questions they had was, have you guys done this before? And there was a very long, silent pause on the phone. And we had to say, no, you're our first one. And I sensed a degree of uncertainty in their voice because they didn't want to be the test case. But then I said, while you might be the first one for McKesson, the vendor that we're using has done this 100 times with dozens of other customers, so it's not an unproven solution. So as time went on, we managed to, like I said, get the workbook out there, and they were impressed. They were amazed that we could have this refreshed every day and sent directly to their server, where they can control their security and who sees it. And as a matter of fact, today it's going to production.
Wow.
So one of the things I'm tasked with while at the conference here is to deploy this to their production server, and there's going to be a review of it tomorrow, and I'm sure it'll just be the beginning of many ways that we satisfy our customers' needs.
So let me understand this, that the Tableau dashboard itself, right, was created from Webi content, from Business Objects Web Intelligence content. And so that content was scheduled and burst into a Tableau Hyper, and then Tableau Workbooks were created from that. And now those Tableau Workbooks are being dynamically refreshed every day from Web Intelligence. And so the users using the Tableau dashboards don't even know that data is actually coming from Business Objects. They're just using Tableau, but it's being automatically refreshed.
If it's out of magic. They see the refresh date change every day, and their numbers update, and they have no idea. It's on their Tableau server. Short of our logo being on the dashboard, they probably don't even know it's coming from McKesson.
Wow.
So
yeah,
that's been really nice. One of the other use cases that we have, which I'm really excited about, that I learned about here at IBIS this year, was the ability in the next release of InfoBurst to be able to take an XDC and have that generate a hyperfile. What this is going to allow us to do is some of our historical Excelsius dashboards that we'd like to redesign, while Squirrel's not readily available yet, allows us the opportunity to possibly redesign some of those dashboards in Tableau without having to do all the data acquisition and embedding. So it'll definitely reduce our development time.
Wow. Yeah. So the dashboards are already using the XDC, the in-memory data cache, and so what you'll do is just write them in Tableau, but you can reuse exactly the same cache, so you don't have to do anything else to the back end. We
won't have to rewrite any Webis. We can take physically the first half of our development life cycle is eliminated by just being able to export that hyperfile from InfoBurst.
Right. Yeah, that's excellent. So there's a couple of other features I'm wondering if you have use cases for as well. Direct access to a BusinessObjects universe from Tableau Desktop.
We are playing with that. We want to see what our use case for that going forward is, to see how it fits into the business model. We're kind of in a unique situation where most of our customers are external of the company. So we have to see how we utilize that tool. We are excited about it because we have a heavy investment into our semantic layer. That's how we govern all of our data usage. So definitely as the Tableau usage at our business unit grows, it'll definitely be directed towards utilizing that semantic layer. And it would be nice to do that directly without having to develop Webi reports. But
right.
At the end of the day, that's still, we're still kicking the tires on that.